Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today it is gonna be a study vlog. So I have already made my to-do list and I'm just about to sit down to studies. But I think that today I should complete my pending schoolwork because it is more important to complete our written work than studies in our school. So guys, I have finished my first study session and it was for chemistry, but I got